Made from superior quality steel. Wall mount allows for neat cable routing, easy fitting and flexible placement. Specially designed to match the size, style and color of the SONOS Play. One speaker unique two-piece design for easy assembly. Tilts 15 degrees down, swivels 40 degrees left, 40 degrees right. Angle the speaker exactly where you want it. Wall mounting hardware not included includes 2 wall bracktes, speakers not included. Tilt it, swivel it, even hang it upside down. Flexson's custom bracket for the SONOS Play. One allows you to wall mount your speaker in the ideal place to sound and look great. This new, improved design gives you yet more flexibility and functionality. The new Flexson mount has a unique tilting mechanism, as well as the ability to swivel left or right, so you can perfectly angle your sound. The bracket also allows you to hang the Play, one upside down so you can access its on-speaker controls even when it's mounted high up. The Flexson wall mount for SONOS Play. One is precision engineered to perfectly match the size, style and color of the SONOS speaker. It also allows for neat cable routing, easy fitting and flexible placement. Free up your surfaces and mount your music today. Top reviews from the United States. I love my SONOS. I have one in my studio art room, one in my bathroom and I have a surround system and soundbar that I hooked up to the speakers via the SONOS Connect. Yes, it is a slight investment, but I love the ability to play music from various services, Pandora, iTunes, Spotify, my phone. It's great because you can group the speakers and have the entire house filled with music as you go room to room. Or use each speaker to play individually. I used the brackets to hang the speakers on the wall, upside down, which is nice because I can adjust the volume without having to use my phone. Side note, it took me forever to figure out how to hang the speakers upside down. BC there are screws hidden underneath the sticker that comes on the bracket that you have to remove, unscrew and rotate the bracket in order to hang the speakers correctly upside down. Installation was a breeze though and they hang sturdy.